Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Daily Trader with Kevin Hincks. I've got two paper money trades for you today on two high-profile names in the same business. Basically, I've got Nvidia that has earnings coming up May 28th, and I've got AMD, which has earnings after the bell today. So two high-profile names to look at. So let's get to our first trade of the day, and that is Nvidia. Nvidia, off its lows, but still significantly well off its highs, as you know. It's got earnings coming up in about 2.5 weeks, so that will be certainly in the news, May 28th after the close. So the paper money trade we looked at in Nvidia is currently noticing the stock trading just above $112, just under 113. And so I looked at the May 23rd, 2 weeks out, May 23rd, 112 call, buying just about $0.75 in the money on the May 12th call. Then looking at this week's expected move, about $4.70, being a little aggressive and selling the 116 in the May 9th. So a $4 call diagonal. That's why do you do that? Why do you look at a $4.75 and do $4? Well, number one, it is a great way to collect more premium on that short call, right? It's closer to at the money, so you collect more premium, just lowering the net debit. Just remember, if it makes that move, you could have to make an adjustment. So the 112, 116 call diagonal, we put that in about 385. It's trading about almost 410 now. So it's rallied off where it was just a short time ago. So buying the 112, selling the 116, 380 between $3.85 and $4. That's the risk on the trade. Looking for a move throughout the week, just this week, up to $116. So remember, you do get an opportunity, if possible, to extend duration into that May 16th expiration. This is one way a trader can look at this name. These are both before the earnings event on May 28th. So the risk is the debit paid, and the target is the 116 price. So our second trade, AMD. This is one way a trader can look at this name. That has an expected market maker move today of about $7.80. It was a little higher. It was over $8 to start the day. Now it's about $7.80, but traders like to round. So what we'll look at here is a similar call diagonal, about $9 wide, but make no mistake, this is only a 1 week, so you're playing that earnings event in a bullish tone in this trade. So buying the May 16th 99 call, the stock currently trading just below $99, and then going in and selling this week's 108 call. So buying May 16, selling May 9, buying the 99 call, selling the 108 call. The debit about $3.75, trading about $3.80. So about a nickel higher than where we put that in. It's eased up ever so slightly. So this is the debit paid. In this case, between $3.75 and $3.85 is the risk on this trade. The target is that 108 strike in AMD. And by the way, the 50-day moving average on AMD is 98.39 on the Thinkorswim platform. So that is a very important level as well if you are into technical analysis. So careful there. It's sitting right at its 50-day moving average. By the way, just for the record, the 200-day, 128.50. So significantly higher than where it is right now. So those are our two trades for today. Both call diagonals, one a 1 weeker, the other one a 2 weeker. In Nvidia and AMD, both playing for moves in Nvidia to the 116 level, in AMD to the 108 level. That's our show for today, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow with another edition of the Daily Trader. I'm Kevin Hincks.